Well, are you wanting to join in on the beauty industry, but you don't know where to start? American Laser and Aesthetics Institute is here to help you turn your passion into a profession. Joining us this morning, Yoon Park is here along with Arish Camille to tell us a little bit more about their programs. It's nice to see you both. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you guys have been in San Antonio for a couple of years now. Tell me a little bit about what makes your school special.
Okay, so my school are special. I think in today's world, the beauty industry is rapid and evolving with a strong shift toward to integrating aesthetic and medical.
Okay.
So American Laser and Aesthetic Institute stand out because we combine with the state-of-art technology and with experience. Our experienced instructor in both medical and aesthetic.
Okay, so basically combining medical and technology with instructors who are very skilled in what they're doing. And you're absolutely right, because the beauty world is changing and it is going very much toward technology. So let's talk a little bit about the unique training opportunities when it comes to cosmetology and medical aesthetics.
Okay, in American Laser and Aesthetics Institute, our students benefit from comprehensive hands-on training using latest and advanced technology and equipment. We also have our curriculum cover everything from traditional cosmetology techniques to advanced medical aesthetics procedure. Those advanced medical aesthetics include the laser technology like IPL, the tattoo removal, and the hair removal. We do also have the injectable courses, the body sculpting. So in general, we're focusing on both the skin treatment, skin rejuvenating treatment, along with the invasive and non-invasive procedures.
This beauty industry is growing so quickly, and I know there are so many people who want to take advantage of learning how to do these kinds of treatments. Once we've got that knowledge, what kind of career opportunities can the graduates expect?
Graduates, they are expecting a huge career opportunity, especially in the well-known places like medical spas, dermatology clinics, and also the beauty salons. We are offering them certificates and licensing, and it's a short-term program. So we are allowing them to quickly enter the force works job and find a job easily. Most of them, they are already in some of them are medical field. So we are helping them to expand their services.
And Yoon, if people have questions about financial aid or scholarship, can they talk to you about that?
I think Arjis, she's our admission department, so she knows a little bit more better. So she can explain to that. Is it okay to you?
Absolutely. And here's the best part of all of this. If this is something that you are interested in, you want to talk about the courses, you want to talk about financial aid, you can come to the open house that's happening November 7th and discover the latest beauty trends and find out a little bit more about what you guys are doing. Take a look at your screen. It is the American Laser and Aesthetics Institute. That open house is November 7th from 1 to 4. Their address is at 111 Babcock Road, San Antonio. This event is open to the public, and of course, you can find out more when you give them a call. It is the American Laser and Aesthetics Institute on Babcock Road. That phone number is 210-731-8450, and you can visit their website, aesthetics.school, for more details.